Hi everyone, Pascal from StruSoft here. It's time for the next tip of the week. It's number 97, so we are almost at 100. Today it's time for Hollow Core and it's time for Revit. So what I want to show you is how you can detail a floor of Hollow Core with impact for Revit. Right? We are going to Revit here. So here you can see this little building. And this little building got the walls there and it's missing the slabs. So what we are going to do is here in impact we are going to draw hollow core. So actually I can see it saved my last element here, so that's actually really nice. But what we have to do is select a boundary. So what we are going to do, we got all those options. What I want to do in my case is pick points. You can also take the point here in building, of course, but I want to do it right here. So now you can see that Impact already made some hollow cores there, but we are not ready. So I want to change my strand pattern. I can support length. Can I change here? So let's see what Impact has done there. That's almost okay. Edge there. Let's set it on 80 as well. And actually you can also do it like this. For not hitting the walls, for example, you can set it to -25. Yeah. That's how you want to do it, of course. Then we can make a pick insertion, so where you want to start your slabs. And in this case I want not having a cutter slab here, so what I'm going to do is pick this and I don't know if you could see it so quickly, but the changing was really fast there. We can also change the direction if we want to, but I don't want to do that. Happy with that. Then we can change the location at the cutted slab there. The next thing with detailing of the slabs, almost the last things are create the in cap, and the in cap is with a connection recess and with some channels which are solid. So here you can see it's my standard in cap, and you can change it like you want to have it, of course. So I'm actually really happy. Alright then, so now I got my hollow cores here, and let's see what I done here. So what we can do is just go to wireframe, and here you can see that I got here my solid cores there and my connection recesses, 2 at each end, and I got also automatically my lifters there. So there's not that much to do anymore. But what I want to do is draw some connection recesses. So what I can do is take this slab here and pick up some points there. So cut. So the last thing we have to do is draw some weep holes and just take some elements there. just for showing how you can do that. So here you can see that I got some weep holes here in slabs, and that's with the parameter I gave to impact. So that's actually really nice. So what we can do is set the elements to ready for production, of course. But what I want to do is save the Holocaust to the base, so my planners can make my plan for production, so they can work and move on. Here you can see I got my element marks there, and I got my sum of elements. We can make an export to OBJ, but that's fine. So they are saved successfully, so that's actually really great. Let's see what's happened in my 3D. It's almost nice. They're at the bottom of the project, but I don't really care. One thing I would show you is if you're having your floors already in Revit, like a standard Revit element, what you also can do is pick the floor, of course, and do it like this. So you can see that I got my Holocaust there at my standard Revit slab. So you are free for drawing the points, of course, but that's a possibility. So let's go to impact here. This is my beautiful project manager, and here you can see that all my Holocaust slabs, they are coming in my project here with 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 all the things I did, of course. So they are ready for production. They are ready for making stacks. They are ready for making some production planning. So I hope that you can use this for something. Thank you.